Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting episode of Model Kit Builds. On this episode we have something very special, something I've been after for a while, and that is the Real Grade Tallgeese II from Mobile Suit Gundam Wing. This is, of course, is a premium Bandai item. So there's the top of the box, that standard, monochrome color that premium Bandai still does for their boxes. Of course, the front just says Tallgeese II. The top has all that on it. And of course, the sides are just that same image as the top. And yeah. Now, unlike a lot of real grades, will have a thing around the side of the box showing, the different grades of kits, but this one does not. So, I don't know why they did that. Anyway, on to the contents of said box here. And let's take a look. So, we of course have the ever famous now Real Grade decal sheet. I've never used one of these decal sheets because I don't care. Alright, so first up we have the H3, which is a red piece. We have D1 in blue. I don't know if you can actually see it if my lighting's too off, but it is blue. We have C1. We have G2. We have parts that are just falling off. We have D2 here in yellow. We have E2 in white. We have G1, in which a part literally just fell off of here. We have H1, which is all clear. So you do get clear beam sabers in here if you want to use that for anything. We have E1, more white parts. We have the pink beam sabers. We have the F runner in gray. The B runner, which is the Real Grade frame pieces. And finally we have the A runner in gray, white, and blue. So now let's take a look at the manual. Here is the manual for our Real Grade 1/144 scale Tallgeese II. To be honest, if you built the regular Tallgeese Real Grade, this should be exactly the same, just with different colors. So we start with the legs, and then we do the waist, and then we do the arms, and then the head. Wait, did I skip a step? Why would you do the arms and then the... Oh, yeah, you do the chest after the waist, I'm sorry. And then you do the head, and then the backpack. And then finally, the weapons. And more of the weapons. And then that's it. There's the back, which has all your sticker decal markings on the suit, as well as the weapons, and of course the color guide for the suit, as well as the tiny, who is that? Trez Kushranda? I don't know what his name is, but yeah, what their name is. So yes, I used to have the regular Tallgeese, like the first one, but I didn't like it because I thought it was too boring with white, so that's why I wanted the Tallgeese II, because it's more blue, and I like more blue. So that's going to do it for this unboxing of the Real Grade Tallgeese II Premium Bandai. That's all I got. So, thank you for watching, and goodbye.